Hello! This short video is the fourth in a series of 5, which demonstrate how quickly and easily secure single sign-on for users of SAP GUI can be achieved, taking advantage of an existing Active Directory infrastructure for both authentication and encryption key management. To demonstrate the installation of TrustBroker Secure Client for workstations, I am logged on to a Windows 7 workstation as Sally Smith. If Sally logs on to SAP, she is shown a sign-on screen where an SAP user and password can be entered. This user and password are sent unprotected over the network to the SAP application server. This is not very secure. I will now install the Secure Client for Workstations product by running the installer from the Windows user interface. Instead, you might prefer to use a software distribution tool. The Secure Client for Workstations product includes the required Kerberos-based SNC library, so that SAP GUI and other client software can authenticate users to the SNC-enabled SAP systems. The SAP servers also need to have the TrustBroker Secure Client for Servers product installed and appropriately configured, as demonstrated in the earlier videos in this series. You will notice that after the installation, the workstation does not need to be restarted. I will now create a new entry in SAP Logon, which will use SNC authentication. The description, application server hostname, instance number, and system ID are required. In the Secure Network Settings section, I have to check the Activate Secure Network Communications box and enter the SNC name, which is the name used by the application server. When Sally logs on to SAP using this new entry, the TrustBroker Secure Client product Kerberos-based SNC library is used to authenticate her. The SAP system has shown an error with the SNC name of Sally displayed near the bottom. This is because the identity mapping is not yet configured. This is demonstrated and explained in the 5th and final video of this series. That concludes the demonstration. Please make sure you watch the next and last video in this series to see how to configure the identity mapping, so that authenticated users can be mapped onto SAP users and clients when they log on using SAP GUI. Thank you for watching.